Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yesterday I released a video, one in my 3 Impactful Paint series, and I had said that there was a couple more paintings that I did that I would release today, so that's just what this is. If you want a little more of a setup, go back and watch the video I did yesterday. I have all my colors in there, all the mixing that I did, all of that sort of stuff. Today, these are just a couple of open cup pours, so pretty straightforward. Just gonna turn some tunes on for you and let you watch me pour some paint. Thank you so much for joining me.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake still feel it even now.
I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been strong so long.
And here are the dry results. Look at that beautiful sparkle from the gold and copper. Really like that. This one though, I am really in love with. That copper just came out gorgeously. The whole piece looks like it's glowing. Yeah, if you have any questions, please put them in the drop down below, and I'm always happy to answer. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me.